How to sign in to Macy's credit card online. Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I'm going to be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can easily log into your Macy's credit card online account. For that, you first have to open up your web browser, and once it's open, go to the search bar and simply search for Macy's credit card login and hit enter. Now you'll see the first link right here. If you don't see any of these links, you can just open Macy's official website first. So go ahead and click on the logo here to go to Macy's official website. And you'll find this search bar right here, so you can search for different keywords that you want to find here. Let's say if I want to search for my credit card option, I'll just search for credit card and then hit enter. Then I'm able to go to this page called credit card wallet. Now all you have to do here is find the option to sign in, and if you don't have an account yet, you can always create a new account. Just follow the on-screen prompts to create a new account, but in order to sign in, just tap on the sign in button and then you'll be taken directly to your login portal. Now all you have to do is provide your email address as well as your password. And if you want to show your password, click on the show button, and if you don't want to enter all of these details every time you log in, you can make sure to check this box to remember your login info on the browser. Now just click on the sign in button and you should be good to go. If you forgot your password, you can recover it from here. So if I just click here, it will ask me certain things to verify my account, and then I should be able to access my account again. So just enter your email address here, they'll send you a verification link, and then you're good to go. So that's about it, guys. If this tutorial was helpful to you in any way, consider liking the video down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our new uploads, and I'll see you guys on the next one.